Do you want to join Medium Partner Program and you facing some difficulties to join Medium Partner Program? So this is so easy to join Medium Partner Program and fill out your tax information. Now log in with your profile and click on Medium Partner Program and a new screen open. So here you can see down below, join the partner program. Now click here. Now new screen open. Now click on setup payouts on Stripe. Now click here, new screen open, setup payouts on Stripe. So now just wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see a new screen open, get paid by Medium. So now first of all select your country, from which country you are. Medium is available, not available globally, so let's select our country. So I am selecting United States. So next step is type of so I am a solo person, individual. So I am solo, I am not a company and non-profit organization, or I am an individual. So next step is select your country, phone number, code. So now I am from Pakistan, so I am selecting my country, phone number, and next step is enter your email. Once you enter email, now click on next button. Now click on next button. Make sure your number is right, because Medium send you a verification code on your phone number. If you enter a wrong number, please change your phone number. Verification code. If you not receive code, then click on resend code. If you think your phone number is wrong, then use a different mobile phone number. So we've successfully entered a right verification code, and now next step is your legal person name. So make sure you enter a right name. So your details. So legal name of person, my legal name. Enter your legal name, and next business website. So business website is our Medium profile URL. So Medium automatically detect Stripe automatically detect our Medium profile URL. So next step is bank account details. So routing number. So I am using Payoneer to receive payment from Medium account. Now select routing number, enter routing number, routing number. Okay, and next step is account number. Now copy your account number and enter account number, and repeat confirm your account number, and now click on save button. So it takes a few seconds, and now we will now make sure your detail is right. If you think your detail is wrong, now click on edit button and click on save button. Let's review those details. You are almost ready to start getting paid by Medium. Industrial name, your bank details, and now click on submit button. Submit. Now it takes some few seconds, and now then Medium automatically redirect us to Medium partner program. You are enrolled and almost ready to get paid. You are officially enrolled in the Medium partner program. Submit your taxpayer information, and one last important thing is submit your tax form to Medium to receive payment from Medium. So this is most important part to receive your payment from Medium. So fill out your information. Now a new screen is open. You need to complete 3 steps. Now type individual or company. Individual mean solo person, so I am solo. Now enter your contact email address, and next step is select your country phone number, first name and last name, and next step is address, city, zip code. So I fill out my details, and next step is select your country, date of birth. Select your date of birth date. So in which date you are born. Select your right date. So make sure, next step is select your country, from which country you are. So I am selecting my country and look on all your detail, and now next click on next step and review your detail, and now click confirm and continue. And second step is select the form, which I am selecting form 1, and now select country of citizen. First of all, enter your name, and next step is select your country, simply search your country, and next step is and again country, and same as contact address. So we cannot add same as contact address because feed contact up to 40 character. We need to enter a custom detail, and now again select your country and same as permanent resident address, and now review your details and click on continue button. USA, and next step is USA taxpayer identification number and foreign tax identifying number. So I am foreign, so I am adding my national ID card number. So enter your national ID card number, PAN card number, and next click on select your country, Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. Claim special rate and condition, royalty, copyrights, and review your detail and click on continue to submit. And now enter your name, and next step is add your email address. You don't need to do with date because Medium automatically detect date. And now tick mark all the spaces, and now click on submit form. So we are all done. We are set all payment. We made your selection, Medium partner program. Payment performance is select, and tax information, your tax information has been verified. You are eligible to receive payments. So we are all set, and now we are ready to get a payment from Medium. And now next step is write article on Medium and receive payment from Medium. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you. And now here you can see, and next last step is verify your email address. Now click on send email, and then Stripe send you an email to verify your email. So this is so easy to verify your email. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you have any question in your mind, leave in comment section. I will reply you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. So if you want to make your ID by me, then contact me on Instagram. I will make your ID, but this task is paid, not free.